What to do in a roof leak emergency? Brought to you by Miller's Roofing Services Limited. A roof leak can cause serious damage if not managed quickly. Here's what you can do to minimize damage before the professionals arrive. Turn off electricity. If it's safe to do so, turn off the electricity in the affected area. Water and electricity are a dangerous mix. Stay off the roof. Wet roofs are extremely slippery and dangerous, especially during an active leak. Always leave roof repairs to trained professionals. Use buckets or bins to collect water. Place large containers directly under the leak to catch water and prevent further damage to floors or furniture. Empty them regularly if the leak is severe. Move furniture and cover valuables. Move any furniture, electronics or valuables out of the affected area to avoid water damage. If heavy furniture can't be moved, cover it with waterproof tarps or plastic sheets. Take photos of the damage. Document the leak and any damage by taking clear photos. This helps with insurance claims. Call a roofing professional. As soon as you've managed the immediate situation, call Miller's Roofing. For emergency repairs, we offer fast, reliable service and will assess the situation, identify the cause and perform the necessary repairs to keep your home safe. While waiting for professional help, continue to monitor the area and change out any full buckets. Make sure children and pets are kept away from the affected area for their safety. We're here to help keep your home safe and dry. Visit our website to learn more at www.millersroofing.co.uk.